Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Scam calls are becoming more convincing than ever, and some even use AI to imitate the voices of people you know. Fortunately, Android is introducing a new feature called fake call detection, designed to help warn you about suspicious calls before you get tricked. In this video, I will show you how to check if this feature is available on your Android phone, how to enable it if it is available, and what to do if you don't see it yet. Before we get started, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step 1. Check if your phone supports fake call detection. Step 2. Open the phone app settings. Step 3. Enable fake call, scam call detection. Step 4. Test and verify the feature. Bonus tip: what to do if you don't have the feature yet. Let's break it down step by step. Step number 1. Check if your phone supports fake call detection. Before looking for the setting, make sure your phone is eligible. This feature is currently rolling out gradually and may not be available on every Android device. First, make sure you are using the Phone by Google app as your default phone app. Next, update your apps by opening the Google Play Store. Tapping your profile picture, then selecting Manage Apps and Device. Updates available. Install any available updates for Phone by Google. It is also a good idea to check for Android updates by going to Settings, Software Update. Once everything is updated, continue to the next step. Step number 2. Open the phone app settings. Open the Phone by Google app. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Look for options related to caller ID and spam, scam detection, call protection, fake call detection. The exact menu name may vary depending on your Android version and device. Step number 3. Enable fake call or scam call detection. If you see the option for fake call detection or caller ID and spam detection, tap it, then turn the feature on. You may also see additional options such as allowing the phone app to analyze suspicious calls or receive scam alerts. Review the permissions and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If your phone doesn't display this option, do not worry. The feature may still be rolling out to your device. Step 4. Test and verify the feature. After enabling the feature, return to the phone app. There is usually no manual test button. Instead, the feature works automatically in the background. When Android detects a suspected scam or fake call, it may display a warning on your screen before or during the call, helping you decide whether to answer. Keep your phone app and Android software updated to receive the latest improvements. Bonus tip: if you do not have the feature yet, if you cannot find fake call detection, it doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. Google is releasing the feature gradually, so it may become available in a future update. Until then, make sure your phone app and Android software stay updated so you'll receive new features as soon as they are available. And that's it. And for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to turn on fake call or scam call detection on Android. As this feature continues rolling out, more Android devices will gain access to it through future updates. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. And do you have any questions? Please do comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.